This tutorial will walk you through how to make an adorable fox zipper pouch. You can download the free pattern for this by following the link in the description below. Start by sewing the zipper to one fox head bottom piece. Place the zipper face down and sew it along the straight edge. Then press the zipper away. It's totally okay if the zipper is a little bit too long. Next, you want to do the same thing with the other side of the fox head. Next, you want to sew the fox face to the zipper pieces with the right sides together. Sew the fox face to either side, pivoting at the point. Fold over the seam allowance of the nose pieces and baste them in place. Next, you will need to cut off the excess fabric that sticks out of the edge of the nose pieces. Place the nose at the center of the fox face and then stitch it in place. Next, you want to open the zipper and fold the zipper pouch in half with right sides together. Then sew all the way around the perimeter. Clip all of the corners and curves and then turn the pouch to the right side through the zipper. And you've already finished. You have a cute new fox face zipper pouch.